Hi guys, welcome back. Hi my fellow June bugs. Thank you so much for joining me again in this video. Welcome to day 22. We are in our last week of this February handbag unboxing month, where every day in the month of February I have been unboxing / revealing a bag that I've added to my collection in the past 3 to 5 years that I haven't yet shared here on YouTube. I've had so much fun filming all these videos and editing them and really putting a goal out there. Please let me know how you've felt about all of the videos, how you've been enjoying this month so far, and to everyone who has been watching every single day, thank you so much for supporting me and watching all these videos. I hope you had as much fun as I've had during this month. But we are in the final week. I'm so excited because in this final week I am going to share some gorgeous pieces with you. But if you have just stumbled upon this channel and you are new here, hi, welcome. My name is June. I am a doctor by day but do make YouTube videos in my spare time. If this is the first video you've watched, check out my playlist where I will post all of the videos that I have uploaded in the month of February for this unboxing frenzy, so you can go ahead and watch. But also I would love for you to subscribe if you haven't already and join my little YouTube family. And if you haven't given me a follow on my Instagram yet, I will put a link back here. This is where I'll be posting how I style these bags that I've shared with you, like my general fashion and my other handbag collection as well. So it's always fun there. I make fun little handbag reels, so do give me a follow over there. Okay you guys, so today's video is going to be a special Louis Vuitton unboxing. You can already tell from the bag is a little vintage number. This is quite a special one, and this is actually I wouldn't say rare, but it is a collector's piece for a lot of Louis Vuitton lovers out there. I wonder if you can guess based on the color palette that I'm wearing. If you have an idea of what you think it might be, do comment in the comment section below. I'll give you a little hint. It is a Speedy. So are you guys ready? Please welcome today's unboxing, and that is the little strip show reveal for us. Are we ready? Little side reveal. You guys, it is the Louis Vuitton Speedy 25 in the cerise print. That was a limited edition collection with Louis Vuitton and Takashi Murakami. This is from cerise collection, I believe in 2005. And isn't she so stunning and gorgeous? This is a bag that I've sort of ummed and ahed about whether to add it into my collection because love the cerise, the cherry print, but I actually wasn't really too keen to add the Speedy into my collection because, as you guys are aware, I've actually added this number here, which is the Bucket PM. I do really like this bag, but I just was like, why stop at one? I know that sounds really bad, but I just loved it so much. I love the cherry print that I really wanted to add another. I'm even going as far as looking at the shoes because, I admit to myself I'm more of a collector than I am a wearer, but I do also like to use my bag. So these pieces like these, I do love to get them, to collect them, because they are gorgeous pieces of art, and they are just part of the Louis Vuitton history. I know that it's only going to get harder and harder to get some of these limited edition pieces. This I did purchase from a Japanese seller, and I do feel like the condition that I got it in is in pretty good condition. The vachetta is still quite light, and it did come with the lock right there. It also came with this little Cerise's booklet from Takashi Murakami about the Cerise collection. This is basically the bag. It is in really good condition. The canvas itself, there's very, very minimal wear and tear. With the vachetta, you can get these replaced, so I'm not too fussed about vachetta so much as I am about the canvas, because the canvas, I feel like it needs to be in pretty good condition, and this one is. If you haven't seen the Cherry Speedy collection before, you can see little cherries there with gorgeous faces. This was part of their screen printing process that was actually quite technically difficult. So for this to come out, it was actually quite a production, so I'm really happy to add it into my collection. This just needs a little bit of shaping because I think it just got a little bit misshapen in the travel. The reason I did add this eventually was because, look, I do love a Speedy. It was the first Louis Vuitton bag that I fell in love with, and I think that the cerise is just a great sort of twist on the basic Speedy 25. Granted, the Speedy isn't for everyone and you can look at this and think it's dated. I do feel now that the 25 is a lot bulkier than it used to seem. I think I would struggle to add this into my collection if it was a 30 Speedy. So yeah, having it as a 25, I think it's a great little size. For me, it feels like a 30. For others, it like is a smaller bag. So I do love this bag so much. I am actually going to be rocking her now that I have two. I have options, but also I don't actually want to wear them out too much because I do want to maintain them in good condition so that I can hang on to them as a collector's piece. Like I mentioned, I am looking to add like some cherry shoes because I think that would be so cute to match with this bag. But that's just me being crazy because I do love to match things. Like, as you can tell, I've got this little play pochette that I've actually added into this bag. This bucket PM, I'll have a link to the unboxing that I did in the info bar below. This doesn't actually come with the pouch, so that's why I got it for a reasonable price. But what I love about the bucket is the red interior, which unfortunately the Speedy 25 does not come with. It's just got a very basic brown interior, which is a bit of a shame. I think if it was red, that would have been absolutely stunning. Let me know what you think of this bag. Is this something you sort of lusted after? What do you think of like the Speedy compared to the bucket PM? Do you think I should just keep one? Like, I really feel like bag regret is something I don't want to have to put up with. So I will usually hang on to something until I'm absolutely sure I'm ready to let it go, because repurchasing this later in what, 5-10 years, I know will just be an absolute nightmare. So yeah, that is my little unboxing of my new cherry Speedy 25. She is so beautiful. You guys all know what a Speedy looks like. There's really not much to say about it. The only difference is this is a cherry print. Now, in terms of where I got this bag, I did get it from a Japanese consignment seller, again on Rakuten. So I was able to get this under 3,000 which, look, I mean, it's not bad. This was I think just under 2, but this is not as popular, and it didn't come with the pochette. I feel like the 25 is a lot more popular for whatever reason, but I personally love them both. On eBay, I think this is retailing for $3.5. I think I got it for not too bad of a price. But yeah, you guys, that is it. That is me. That is our reveal today for the last week for the February unboxing month. I have had so much fun. I hope you guys have had a lot of fun too. Give this video a massive like, and as I mentioned, if you haven't already, please go ahead and subscribe. As always, you guys, I hope you're having a wonderful week or weekend, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.